Welcome to nature.empires, where the wild comes alive. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the mountains, join us on a journey to discover the most incredible creatures and untamed landscapes on Earth. Every week, we bring you closer to nature's wonders, uncovering secrets and marvels that will leave you breathless. Experience the thrill of the wild with nature.empires. Dive into the beauty, the mystery, and the adventure of our natural world. Subscribe now and never miss an episode. Your adventure begins here. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a delightful journey to meet the cutest birds on Earth. From vibrant colors to charming behaviors, these adorable feathered friends are sure to brighten your day. Get ready to say, "Aww," as we showcase some of the most heart-melting birds from around the world. Let's dive in. Eurasian wren. This little brown bird, found in Europe, North America, and parts of Asia, can fit in a teacup. Its plump body shape and upright held stubby tail add to its cuteness. The delicate brown pattern on its wings, tail, and body makes it even more endearing. Atlantic puffin. Nesting in large colonies along North Atlantic coastlines, the Atlantic puffin boasts a unique coloration. Its black back and wings contrast with a bright white belly and face. The large, triangular orange-yellow bill with blue grooves adds to its charm. Black-capped chickadee. These hardy little birds brave North America's coldest winters. Their black cap, bib, and white cheeks make them instantly recognizable. To survive extreme cold, they lower their body temperature at night, conserving energy. Regal peafowl, known for their mesmerizing display of iridescent plumage, peafowls, peacocks and peahens, are truly elegant and captivating. Quetzal. The quetzal, native to Central America, is often called nature's living gem. Its vibrant green and red plumage, along with its long tail feathers, make it a stunning sight. Scarlet macaw. With its fiery red, blue, and yellow feathers, the scarlet macaw stands out as a colorful and feathery friend. Bald eagle. As a symbol of freedom, the majestic bald eagle is both powerful and graceful. Its white head and tail, along with its piercing eyes, evoke awe and admiration. Flamboyant flamingo. These pink birds are pretty in pink. Their long legs, curved necks, and graceful movements make them a delightful sight in wetlands and salt flats. Snowy owl. These majestic owls inhabit the Arctic tundra. Their pure white plumage, large round eyes, and stoic expressions make them look like magical creatures. They're also known for their silent flight, which adds to their mystique. The bearded reedling is a social bird found in Eurasian reed beds, known for its distinctive calls and feeding habits near water. The male has cinnamon brown plumage, a long tail, yellowish bill, blue-gray head, and broad black mustaches, making it uniquely charming in appearance. Willow ptarmigan. In winter, this bird's pure white plumage helps it blend into snowy landscapes, while in summer, its brown feathers are equally charming. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed meeting these adorable birds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more heartwarming wildlife content. Let us know in the comments which bird was your favorite. See you next time.